In Windows 11, many of the actions you can perform with a mouse can also be performed using gestures on a touch screen or a touchpad for devices that support those features. This lesson explains the touch gestures available in Windows 11 and how they correspond to traditional mouse actions. Keep in mind that the exact behavior of touch gestures can vary slightly depending on the device or manufacturer. To select an item using a touch screen or touch pad, tap once on the item. This action selects the item or opens it depending on the context. This gesture corresponds to a left mouse click. To display additional commands for a selected object, similar to using a right click with a mouse, you can touch and hold the item when using a touch screen. When using a touch pad, you can tap with 2 fingers. Alternatively, on some touchpads, you can press in the lower right corner or use the lower right button to perform the same action. To zoom in or out to change the size of items displayed on the screen, place 2 fingers on the touchscreen or touchpad and move them either closer together or farther apart. Moving your fingers closer together reduces the size of the display, while moving them farther apart increases it. This action is commonly called pinch and stretch. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.